Introducing the KC-518, the world's first composite frameless helicopter. Developed in Auckland, New Zealand, known for its world-leading composite materials technology used in the latest America's Cup yachts and award-winning super yachts. This same composite materials technology applied to the KC-518 brings a revolutionary production technique providing rapid, low-cost, corrosion-resistant and long life with superior strength. Composite helicopters have secured patents for their construction methodology, which is set to revolutionise the market. The construction technique provides the opportunity to provide a simplified kit assembly methodology. All internal parts are trimmed to fit at specific locations. Holding fixtures are easily set up within the fuselage for each part. There are no bolted joints in the fuselage construction.